Welcome to Module 4. This module focuses on assessing your strengths and weaknesses. Understanding your strengths allows you to leverage them effectively, while acknowledging your weaknesses helps you address them constructively. We'll explore how to use tools like the SWOT analysis for self-evaluation and strategies for recognizing and leveraging your strengths. The SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Start by listing your strengths. These are internal factors that give you an advantage in achieving your goals. Next, identify your weaknesses. These are internal factors that may hinder your progress or pose challenges. Then, consider external opportunities. These are factors in your environment that you can capitalize on to advance your goals. Finally, recognize external threats. These are factors outside of your control that may pose risk or obstacles to your objectives. Recognizing your strengths is key to maximizing your potential and achieving success. You want to reflect on a couple of things. Reflect on your accomplishments, feedback from others, and areas where you excel. This will help you identify your strengths. Once you've identified your strengths, you can then leverage them to pursue your passions and interests. For example, if you have strong communication skills, you might consider roles that involve public speaking or leadership. Addressing your weaknesses constructively is essential for personal and professional growth. Rather than viewing your weaknesses as failures, see them as areas for improvement and development. Identify specific actions you can take to address your weaknesses, such as seeking training, mentorship, or practicing new skills. Remember, everyone has areas for improvement, and addressing weaknesses is a natural part of the learning process. By utilizing tools like the SWOT analysis, by recognizing and leveraging your strengths, and by addressing your weaknesses constructively, you can position yourself for success. In the next module, we will dive into your values and beliefs, and we will align them with your goals and aspirations. Thank you so much for your participation, and I encourage you to continue reflecting on your strengths and weaknesses outside of this session.